guys, it's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. Today I have no makeup on because today I have a new skincare video for you guys. And today I will be talking about the Linovera Oil, this one. Nadala nila ito sa akin for me to try out and I've been trying out for 2 weeks straight ever since I got it. Medyo matagal ko na itong nakuha guys, pero talagang trinay ko siya for 2 weeks since super busy din ako for 2 weeks guys. And ito yung the only product that I use daytime. Daytime ko pa lang siya ginagamit guys. Daytime ko siya ginagamit nung 2 weeks na nag-house-to-house visits kami. At first, medyo I got scared when I received this because it's an oil-based skincare product. And alam niyo naman ako guys, I have oily skin, I have acne-prone skin. As you can see, I'm having a little bit of active pimples there, here and there because I'm trying out a new skincare. But it's not because of this one. I'm trying out a new exfoliant pala. Anyway, before I talk about my experience about this product, this is the Linovera Oil with Centalla Asiatica. And this also contains aloe vera, thus the word Linovera Oil. I got scared when I received this because again, it's an oil-based skincare product, but I still tried it because of the two main ingredients that this contains, Centalla Asiatica and aloe vera oil. These two products, I super duper love them. Aloe vera is known for its hydrating properties. Yung aloe vera talaga is famous in combating like almost all skincare problems. Yung Centalla Asiatica is also famous in treating acne and in calming your skin because of its soothing and calming properties. I think all of my holy grail Korean skincare products contain Centalla Asiatica. So even though it's an oil base, I still tried it because of the two main ingredients, yung Centalla Asiatica at saka yung aloe vera. So this helps restore moisture, balance, and hydration and renew your skin with regular use of this Linovera oil. Created with powerhouse botanical Centalla Asiatica for your face and body. So you can use this for your body as well. Pero ako, I mainly use this for my face kasi sayang naman guys. It is for dehydrated skin, fragile skin, and for skin recovery. So what I love about this one, this contains 50 ml. Super dami niya. And it has a pump which is so convenient. I like the delivery system kasi it's super like hygienic. Hindi ko siya nilalagay on my ganyan guys. Hindi ko siya nilalagay ng ganun. Pwede naman, you can do that. Pero I don't like the feeling of like spreading it in my hands kasi nga it's oil. So what I do is ginaganyan ko siya straight on my face. Tapos dun ko na siya sinispread. So when I started using this, I think pang 3 weeks na ako ngayon. Kasi the first time that I used this was on our first day of house-to-house visits. Yung campaign ng DOH against poliomyelitis. Guys, everyday house-to-house visits under the sun, under all the sweat. Pero ito lang yung ginagamit ko daytime. Usually kapag naghihilamos ako ng lunchtime because of all the dust, ito na agad-agad yung ina-apply ko on my face. Kasi it's ideal for skin recovery, dehydrated skin, and fragile skin. I feel like for the last 3 weeks, we had our house-to-house visits. Talagang dehydrated yung skin ko. Kasi maybe because of the heat of the sun, ganon. So, eto talaga yung ina-apply ko, guys. I think parang 2 or 3 na yung nagsabi na, ate, medyo glass skin yung peg na mukha mo ngayon. So, eto yung reason, guys. I'm done with my toner pala. So, kapag nagmamadali ako, guys, eto na, toner and then this one. And then sunscreen. Yun na. So, what I do is, ayan. It's clear as you can see. Tapos I spread it. Actually guys, okay na yung isang pump all over your face. Pero ako, hindi. And it has like a herbal scent. Pero it's not overwhelming. Hindi siya mabaho. Hindi din siya mabango. Okay lang. I like the scent naman. Hindi naman ako na-irritate sa kanya. Hindi ako na-aanoy sa kanya. So nakita niyo ba guys, this is still with no aloe vera oil and this is with aloe vera oil. And talagang instant glass skin yung binibigay niya. As in. And then one pump dito. So I really like the delivery system guys. Kasi may pump siya. This contains 50 ml and by the way, this one retails for 999 pesos. Ata, it's available sa Watsons guys. If you wanna check this out. And ito lang yung secret ko, guys, for my dehydrated skin for the last 3 weeks. If you have oily skin, okay din ito, guys. Kasi I have oily skin and ito yung ginagamit ko daytime talaga. Hindi na napoproduce yung skin ko ng oil because of this. Kasi talagang nade-deliver niya na yung hydration na kailangan ng skin ko. Ito guys, as in, talagang instant glass skin yung may bibigay niya. Nakikita nyo ba? Don't mind my breakout. Nakikita nyo ba? O, diba? Ang ganda. Tapos after dito, naglalagay na lang ako ng sunscreen and then diretso na ako sa makeup. So, ganun lang guys. It's super simple. I really like this one. Talagang nafe-feel ko na super moisturized and hydrated ang skin ko. I don't use this at night kasi mas gusto ko siyang gamitin daytime because of the instant glass skin effect that it gives me, and at the same time, parang hindi na kasi ako nag-o-oil if I use this product. If that makes sense, I don't know. Parang yung brain ko, nade-detect niya na hindi na kailangan nila mag-produce ng so much oil because they can sense that my skin is already very hydrated. Ganun yung feeling. So, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup tapos babalik ako guys sa inyo para malaman nyo kung ano yung effect niya underneath my makeup. And ayan guys, I'm back. Tapos na ako sa buong mukha ko. So, nag-highlight pa rin ako guys kahit naglagay ako nito. And I'm gonna be back after my class is done. I have a class at 9 and it's already 8:45, so I have to go now. But my class will end after lunch. So, I'll probably give you an update on my face after 4 hours. I have oily skin guys ha. So, tingnan natin after 4 hours guys kung super greasy ba yung mukha ko after 4 hours or parang glass skin lang na parang dewy lang ganun. Ayun yung mukha ko. See you later! Hi guys, it's already 1:09. So it's been 5 hours guys and eto na yung mukha ko. O diba, kahit 5 hours na siya on my face, hindi talaga ako super oily, hindi talaga ako nag-oil up. Pero tingnan nyo naman, parang glass skin lang siya. Diba guys? Tingnan, may konting sheen lang siya dyan. Pero it's not greasy, hindi talaga ako nag-oil up. If I look at my face, parang ang ganda talaga, parang glass skin talaga. Eto, highlight ko yan. Ito, highlight din. Pero yung the rest, like dito, diba? Instant glass skin talaga yung peg ng Linovera Oil na ito. So, I really like it. So, guys, if you wanna check this out, this is available sa Watsons. I think 999 pesos siya sa Watsons. And talagang super worth it niya. One pump is enough all over your face. Pero ako, kahit I have oily skin, ginagamit ko siya 3 pumps. 1 pump here, 1 pump, and 1 pump. And I really like it, guys. Kasi talagang soothing siya on my face. It's really moisturizing na to the point na parang hindi na ako nag-produce ng too much oil kasi nga hydrated na yung mukha ko. So, ayun. I really like it, guys. So, I'm gonna give this product a thumbs up, guys. So, that's it, guys, for today's review. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also, click that bell button beside the subscribe button so you're not gonna miss any of my videos. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. God bless everyone.